To remove this brake pedal pad, it's pretty easy. You have to just kind of peel it off of the brake pedal, just like this. Now, why would you want to replace it? Well, just like this one, it can be worn out. And if it's worn out, then your foot is contacting the metal part of the brake pedal, and it's wet. It might be slippery. So that's not good, obviously. That's dangerous. So take the new one, which, as you can see, it has the cutouts here. They kind of slide over the brake pedal. And I'm going to start with the bottom first. Okay. Sometimes it's easier without gloves. Okay, last corner. Finally. All right. Ensure that it's properly installed. And there you have it.